uMashu, it's an oldest township la eThekwini. So I think this year will be about 66 years because we are over 1958 from Mkumbane. And what is interesting with uMashu, especially in the streets akhona, wonke reflecta heritage yaKwaZulu Natal. It's like ungasho ukuthi uMashu uwodwa, it's like uKwaZulu uwodwa. Because when you look at imigwaqo yakhona, the way iqanjwe nge-heritage ye-province yonke, like Skabi, umgwaqo la kaB iqanjwe ngemigido yonke yamaZulu, ngathi imigido yesintu kanjwe ngayo yonke imigido yesintu, ama-ceremonies, umshado, kunomshado road, umgwaqo wethu nje la we-KKP uGiya road, kusho ukugiya kahle kahle ukugiya road, kuyagiywa, kunosihlabelelo, amaculo, kunosikhindi. And then when you move uyaka kasi section C, it's about all the greatest rivers of KwaZulu. No Manzimtoti, no Umfolozi River. Manzimtoti was popularized by Andrew Zondo. Now umfola ngale la kunedolobha laseManzimtoti Andrew Zondo alibombayo ngesikhathi sama 80s. So, and biggest rivers yothukela yomfolozi Matikulu, then uyekade umufika kade izintaba zonke zaKwaZulu. We went as far saya ko Sandlwana, saya ko Nquthu, saya ko Mkhambathi, so uMaqongo, and then you wonke ama sections. And what I did when I was writing incwadi, then I captured that. Ngiqale hostel. The hostel is so interesting because libizwa ngokuthi sekuthuleni. But historical akazi bekho ukuthula kwi-hostel. You find a lot of bad things, crime and gebengu icasha khona, iso kwezinye indawo zocasha khona. But imigwaqo yakhona ibizwa kamnandi, okhaya mnandi, sekuthuleni. So I captured all of that, and we got kuna ibongo is among ibongo ezinkulu zakaZulu, uye kokhe inyoni kaJay imfu ihlahla. So capture everything. What okunye interesting u-L u-L kuthiwa isezikhaleni, and ayikho isection yaziwa nje ukuthi alifakwa njengo-L. And ngaze ngathi umuntu enzile sengathi no, okay, ngoba isezikhaleni uthola iwisa, uthola umkhonto osijula, yabo kuyashaya nje yonke into nje about that. So I was inspired by that. And I said, no, this heritage, we cannot ignore it, because umubuka post 94 indaweni eningi eThekwini zashintshwa, kwashintshwa umgwaqo, amagama akhona and everything, but uKwaMashu you could not touch it because of that heritage. Awuchemena lutho. It talks about the beauty of uba umuntu, uba umnguni, uba umuntu engabadi. So that inspired me to write the book. And what was interesting was that I was not only researching la imigwaqo yakaMashu kuphela, but into ebengiyenza, for example, masekade I will go ngiye kuSandlwana umgwaqo wakhona, then sifike sishoot and interview people bakhona, understand in Sandlwana thothi abantu abazi Sandlwana yini, bazi umgwaqo eSandlwana abazi ukuthi indaba. Then I will go travel noSiyame yiwa wayengithathele photograph, siye eSandlwana sifike so shoot indaba eSandlwana, interview abantu bakhona. I remember when we were there, we were asking abantu ukuthi why kuthiwa iSandlwana, and some people didn't know kuthiwa iSandlwana. And when I was interested ukuthi okay, iSandlwana ngenxa ukuthi amangisi kwavuka ekuseni nje kwabana esebekwe lamatende lawa eduze kwakhona eSandlwana, bathi mabevuka abantu bathi hawu yini le esazindlu esibekwe laphana kule ntaba yethu, How there's azandlwana izindlwana ezibekwe laphana and then it gain popularity ukuthi intaba yaba isandlwana. Then mina ngase ngithi mangifika khona but yayibizwa ngani before kuthiwe isandlwana and nobody knew but bakhona babengazi ukuthi it can't be ukuthi because of 1879 then there's a war, then the place mountain is now called Isandlwana. And when you look at the mountain Isandlwana, it has got nothing to do with yabo, but rather imisoke khanda lebhubesi engathi buka le elokuzana entshonalanga, which is interesting. Ngoba sasahle ngathi na ke sisho lezi ithombe zibeningi and we look, this looks like a lion. A lion is on top of the mountain. It has got to do with the house, and then I mean with the heart or house. And saqinisana nomunye umuntu omdala umkhulu ukuthi ayake nobuza kulowo muzi walowo baba lwana ngathena ucishe azi, and then we went there and masifika ubaba athi no le ntaba le before kuthiwe isandlwana yayibezothiwa bayavungama, which was very interesting. And it's in the book. I captured that. The original name of Isandlwana Ubaya Vungam.
So how long it took you to finish this book?
18 months. Almost 2 years to write the book. There were a lot of delays. Now I took it for granted. I thought it would be just ngoba ngiyazazi ezinye izinto. Kanti akunjalo. Then when I went in and started to umashuna sections of 14, and then we had to take photos. My photos were like 160, and now you can't put everything. Then I needed to sample. It's okay. Now we go to each and every section. Now 14, and let's take at least 10 photos. And now we have to sample it down because it's too much. Because remember, it's a coffee book.
Yeah. And how many pages?
It's about 130 pages. Because it has to be short. There's not to be too much because the coffee book shop abantu about tourists there to read, and young people but today they have to read. It needs to be colorful, nama photos are corner. So when you look at the book, it's beautiful. Ama photos are corner. I did a great job.
Wow.
So, and of course we had to. Before it was done by a former premier, Nomsa Dube, who's now a deputy minister of education. And you can see it, which my photos and capturing.
Yeah.
And I did not only end up there. I also, because I wanted to start from the beginning, explain. It's the only book you'll find in the history of Amash. Uguamashu, the name Kamgabu from Say Campbell, Marshall.
Yes.
Anyway, and then also eating. Why eating? What is it? Win.
And it's now.
It's now is also there.
Oh yes.
You find it's now in the dog and abantu abadlinja. Basebenzi no. Umama kahle kahle owayedayisa labasebenzi baka railway. And then uphelelwe inyama. It's a Friday.
Yeah.
Ngase na inyama bese abafana athuma abafana ombambele inja bamhlinzele yona. Then bese ezoyipheka uma befika abasebenzi ba railway bathi hey le nyama yamnandi kanje namhlanje hey cha uyiphekile yini igama lale nyama ngoba kuyona inkomo kuyona futhi imbuzi athi hayi sinqawunqa. And that's how we got it igama sinqawunqa.
Oh yeah. So as the legendary playwright, can we see this book being turned to be stage play in the near future?
The way you're reaching ngayo information no mashu actually tell the story of an African person because in African person unekhaya and kunama sections njabo OF abakhuluma ngeimportance lokuzana basekhaya and ekhaya kuba nezibongo then kuno Dlamini la kuno Zulu road kuno yabo Langa road umlangeni road. Then once waba nekhaya fanele kube nokuthula. Then section A talks about that. Kufanele kube then ekhaya kuba nemicimbi. Section B talks about that. Kuyashada kuba nomemulo kuba nocece. And then of course you need water here to drink, and then umfule akamashu. You know, it's a story that you can write a beautiful production. And uma kulo la ekhaya kufanele kube nezihlahla ezithile obuzane obuza or and then kunezinyoni ziyazingela ehlotshwa ngazo yabo. So ama sections wonke capitalisha nemvunulo kaphinda bakhuluma ngazonke ama utensils asetshenziswa abantu besintu like uqhoko ukhamba. So it's about an African person story ne heritage yakhe with everything ikhaya la African thing ikhali yabo. So then yes, you can see.
Yeah. So last one, what are you hoping to achieve with this
well, I'm busy now working towards ensuring that if I say $8, like your exclusive bookshops and other shops, and also Amazon online. And the biggest thing which I want each and every school library yaseThekwini akamashu babe nayo, hoping ukuthi abantu bakamashu will buy the book. Actually, it would be a crime if we don't buy this book and not only Dwagamashu, because as a whole. I want to see it in my libraries, in my museums, because it could get a lot of history. Kahle explanations are inside here, even Magama, Amabuto Zulu, it's all in the book and it's nicely explained. Umfula uchazuthini usekesola ukwenza ini. I started from there with research. Inyoni igama lenyoni lakhe kanjani. I started from there. Ubaleka weintaba from historical heritage ne tradition yethu. It's all in the book. So i-reach ngalendlela le ukuthi it can be a course on its own right up to university level.